In this video, we'll see how to install Go and run your first Go program on Windows. For Ubuntu users, we have a separate video for installation. First, visit golang.org and click on Download Go. We're going to select the installation file for Microsoft Windows. The file should start downloading now. After the file is downloaded, double-click on it to start the installation process. Keep clicking Next till the installation process starts. Click on Finish once it is done. I've created a folder called Go Programs. I have a file called hello.go that contains a program that prints hello on the console. The program looks something like this. Do not worry about the syntax, I'll explain it in detail in the next video. Let's run this program using the command prompt. Navigate to where the file is located. You can do this using the cd command. You can run the program using the command go run followed by the file name. As you can see, Hello World is printed on the command prompt. That's it. You have successfully installed Go and run your first Go program. In the next video, we'll have a closer look at what each line in the program means. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more on-point videos just like this one.